Choosing a broker can be a hard enough task as it is. And in previous videos, I've shown you why puprime is one of my favorite brokers. As a beginner, when you're looking up to set up an account with brokers, it can be quite a daunting and quite a difficult task. But today I'm going to be talking you through how to set up a puprime account and show you just how easy it is. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Let's jump over to the website. So now we are on the puprime website, and as you can see, it's a very clean, very professional website. 300,000+ active clients, over 1,000 trading products. They have regulatory licenses, 24/7 customer support, and they are providing to 200+ countries worldwide. Now in this video, I wanted to show you how easy it is to set up an account. But first, I just want to show you that they have the follow and copy masters traders, which will be on the app in my next video. I'll show you how to use this, but this is where you will basically earn while you learn, or just earn an extra side hustle by copying experts and taking the same trades that they trade. Scrolling back up to the top, you have the sign up here. So go ahead, click sign up, and you will be redirected to this page here. Now, as you can see, registering is super easy. Step 1, you register. Step 2, you fund. And step 3, you start trading. So first off, you start by registering. So you put your name in, and then you put your email in. You then fill out your password. And once you've done the password, if you have a referral code, feel free to use it. Then make sure that these boxes are ticked, and then you create an account. Then all you need to do is you fill in your personal details. So you have your first name, your last name, your gender, date of birth, phone number, country of your residency, and your nationality. So once you've filled that out, you'll get redirected to this page, and this is where you fill out the information you want for your trading account. So I personally like to use MetaTrader 5. If you want to use MetaTrader 4 or their copy trading, you can click that. Your account type, standard, prime, ECN, just go for the standard for the minute, and then choose your account currency. I'm from the UK, so I like to use GBP. Once you're happy with that, tick the box, scroll to the bottom, and click next. Once you've done that, you get taken to this page, and this is where your deposits are already available. So you can go ahead, click those, deposit, put some money in your account and get trading. ID verification, this is literally just doing your driving license or your passport, and obviously that verifies you as a user. So if we go ahead and click deposit now, you can obviously enter the amount that you're wanting to put in. So let's say you're trying to put £100 in, click continue, and then you have your range of payments that you want to use. You have credit card, you have USDT, Apple Pay, USDT again, these are on the different blockchain networks. Bitcoin, you've got all these different payment options that you can use. Personally, I just like to use my credit card as it's just a lot easier. Once you're happy with that, you click it, click continue, and you'll get taken to this page where you'll go ahead, click pay now. You'll put your credit card numbers in or your bank card numbers in, and then the deposit will be made. To do your withdrawals, that's where you'll need to just make sure that you have that ID verification there. So super simple, guys, to get set up, get moving. And yeah, there's no reason that you can't get going straight away, because as you can see, that only took 5 minutes maximum. Now to open up a demo account, obviously you go to accounts over here, click the drop down, click demo account, and then you just go open an account. This is where obviously you'll have your verification. Once you click that, you can select the amount that you want, choose the leverage, choose the account balance that you start with, click submit, then you'll get given an account number and a password, which you can then put into MT5 or your chosen platform, and it is that simple to get moving. So as you can see, guys, that was super simple, and setting up an account with puprime is just so easy. All the links you need are in the description below, so go ahead, click those and get involved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to be alerted in any of my new videos.